A tried and tested way to get more views on YouTube Shorts is to share quick tips for your niche or industry through a short video. And in this quick tutorial, we'll show you just how you can create one for your brand in under 15 minutes without having to film any footage of your own with the help of this InVideo template. To start using this template, select the 9:16 aspect ratio, which is the best fit for shorts, and click on Use this template to go to the editor. Here, you have a very intuitive setup. The canvas shows you the actual video, while all your scenes are placed on the timeline and are already synced to a royalty-free music track, so you don't have to worry about copyright claims, changing the music track, or readjusting the duration of the scenes in any way. On the left, you have the complete menu to choose what you want to add to your video, like images, text, music, etc. Now, let's begin editing. We are recreating this short for a tech website that shares app and software reviews, but you can customize it for any type of product or service. If you have video clips of your own, you can upload them using the Uploads option in the left menu. Else, you can follow along to see how you can use stock videos to recreate this reel. For the first slide, we want to replace the sneaker video with that of someone working on a laptop. So, we'll go to the video tab in the left menu and search for the same using the search bar. Once we find a clip from the search results, I will drag and drop it onto the canvas and hit Replace in the pop-up window that appears. Another pop-up window will appear where you want to trim the clip to fit the duration of the scene, which is shown by this vertical dotted line on the player. Simply select this option on the bottom left corner that says Trim Video to Fit Scene and click on Add, and your video will replace the template default. If the clip appears slightly blurry or pixelated, don't worry because sometimes the editor takes time to load. It will be exported in high definition only. You similarly want to replace the video clips for all the remaining scenes, making sure that the clips you choose fit the point that you're trying to make. For this video, I'm going to choose clips that represent the tips I'm sharing. If you make a mistake or add a clip you don't want, you can either delete it by pressing the delete key on the keyboard or undo the step by using the Command+Z or Control+Z shortcuts on your keyboard. Once all your clips are replaced, you want to go ahead and change the text. To do that, double-click on the text on any scene to open up the edit window on the left, and here you type out your own text. The first slide will have your title or introduction, and the last slide will have your call to action or CTA. The final step is to change the logo. Simply click on the logo on any scene to open up the logo menu on the left, and then upload your own logo image. Once it's uploaded, click on the image and it will automatically get replaced throughout the template. If everything looks good, click on the play button underneath the canvas to preview your shot. And once you're satisfied, go to the top right corner and hit Export. We suggest exporting in 180p for the best results. You can recreate this trend for other types of brands as well. For instance, if you own a skincare brand, you can create a short like this. The best part? You can use the same video to get more views on Instagram Reels and TikTok as well. And that's how you can create and upload a viral YouTube short within video.